starts 90, 4 right. Good luck. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 90, 4 right, 40, slight left, 70, late 3 right, 30, crest, 100, 4 right, keep in, and 3 left, 30, 2 left, tightens, to 3 right, tightens, 40, slight left, and 6 right short, 130. Big jump, 250. Left of a bump, 150. Long crest, 100. 4 left, long, 60. Slowing, slight left, 50. Turn, square right, 30. Slight left, 130. Right of the crest, 160. 6 right of the crest, 70. Right of the crest, and 5 right, opens, 50. Slight right of the crest, 40. 6 left of the jump, 50. 6 right of the jump, 100. 6 left of the jump, and right of the crest, 50, slight left, long, 80, slight right, slowing, 140, turn square left, around bail, 70, 6 right, slowing, 100, turn 1 left short, and 5 left, into slight right, 50, 5 right short, into left of a crest, 100, 5 right, tightens, 100, slight right of a jump, slowing, 150, turn, square right and square left, 40, through gate, turn 1 right, long, onto tarmac, and 2 left, half long, into crest, and jump, 40, 3 left, tightens, 60, open hairpin right, 60, 2 left of the crest, opens very long, 40, 4 left sharp, and crest, 40, left of the crest, to slight right, onto gravel, and turn hairpin right, 100, left of a crest, and slight right of a bump, 60, left of a crest, into 3 left, 40, 6 right, 50, finish, into 5 right, to stop. Okay, that's a 3 minute 6.2.